Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an animated GIF to your Outlook signature. If you want your emails to look more engaging, creative, or professional, adding a GIF can be a great way to make your signature stand out. Whether you're promoting a brand, highlighting social media, or simply adding a little personality to your messages, Outlook makes it possible to include animated images directly inside your email signature. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set it up and test it properly before sending emails. Let's get started. First, make sure you're using Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Open the Outlook application and wait for your inbox and dashboard to fully load. Once you're inside Outlook, direct your attention toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see a small settings icon shaped like a gear. Go ahead and click on it. A settings panel will appear on the side of the screen. Depending on your Outlook version, you may immediately see a Signatures option, or you may need to click View All Outlook Settings first to access the full settings menu. Now, look for the section labeled Account or Mail, and then find Signatures. Click on it to open the Signature Management window. This is where Outlook allows you to create, edit, and customize signatures for your emails. If you already have a signature, you can edit the existing one. If not, click New Signature and give it a name. After creating it, you'll see a large editing box where you can type your name, title, company details, website links, or anything else you want included in your signature. Now, let's add the animated GIF. Click Window plus period key to open GIF and emoji. Before selecting the GIF, make sure the file size isn't too large because oversized GIFs can load slowly in emails or appear unprofessional to recipients. Smaller and cleaner animations generally work best for signatures. Once you find the GIF you want to use, click on it. Outlook will insert the animated GIF directly into your signature editor. At first glance, the GIF may appear static inside the editor window, and that's completely normal. Outlook often only plays the animation fully once the email is actually sent or previewed in certain mail clients. After inserting the GIF, you can resize it if necessary by clicking on the image and dragging the corners. Try not to make it excessively large because oversized signatures can distract from the actual email content. A clean and balanced signature usually looks more professional. Now, arrange your signature layout however you prefer. You can place text above the GIF, below it, or beside it, depending on the style you want. Some users like adding company logos, social media links, or call to action buttons alongside the animation. Once everything looks good, click Save. This step is extremely important because without saving, Outlook won't apply the changes to future emails. After saving your signature, return to the Outlook dashboard and create a brand new email message by clicking New Mail or New Email. When the email composition window opens, scroll down to the Signature section. You should now see your updated signature with the animated GIF included. In many cases, the GIF will animate once the message is viewed by the recipient, helping your emails feel more dynamic and eye-catching. Before using it regularly, it's a good idea to send yourself a quick test email. This allows you to confirm the GIF displays correctly and that the animation works properly across devices and email clients. And that's it. You've successfully added an animated GIF to your Outlook signature, giving your emails a more personalized and professional touch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.